Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
Start by confirming administrator access for the Zkteco device before making changes. Check the admin username and password and verify they work. If you access via network, note the device IP address. If you use USB, confirm cable connection and storage visibility on your computer. Open the ZK client or ZK Access software on your workstation next. Export the user database or attendance file as a backup before deleting any. Open the Users or Templates section in ZK Access or On-Device menu to manage fingerprints. Browse the list by user ID or name to find the target enrollment. Select the fingerprint template linked to that user or the specific finger index. Click Delete or press the physical delete key on the device to remove the template. Confirm the deletion in the confirmation dialog to proceed. Wait for the device to display a success message or a return to the user list. After deletion, verify the fingerprint removal by searching for the user in the database. Attempt an access scan on the device to ensure the finger no longer grants entry. If the template remains visible, restart the device and reconnect to the software. Resync the device over the network or re-import via USB to refresh templates. If you deleted a record accidentally, restore it from your exported backup file immediately. Finally, document the change and inform affected users to
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.